Renault Megane, customer concern, engine no crank, no start guys. Yeah, papansin nyo, salpak natin yung susi. Tapos isa lang napansin ko dyan hindi ko nakikita yung check engine light on. So try natin manual to guys. So manual natin, start, no crank, wala talaga. So nung in-scan ko is missing yung ECU, computer not detected. So tama yung hinala ko, sa either sira yung ECU internally or mag-check muna tayo power and ground, baka kasi power and ground na ang problema. So yun yung gagawin natin. Basic lang muna tayo, fuse lang muna. We'll try to figure it out bakit hindi na nakakapag-communicate tong ECU. Is either wala o may missing power dito or basta power and ground. Yun lang naman nagpapagana positive tsaka negative. Yun lang yung unang mong gagawin dyan. So yeah, that's it.